Hey guys, what's going on? It's Matt with Forex Successful Traders. I'm going to do a quick video here on the new platform. You guys have obviously downloaded it and ready to get going. Sorry for the background noise. I'm just sitting here on the trade floor. We're in a session right now, but let me just show you guys around. Go to Tools. This is where I can open up my matrices here. I'm going to go ahead and click OK. See the market moving around a little bit. What else could we possibly, maybe we want a chart. Go euro dollar 1 minute. Alright. And let's say if I put this up here, set this over here. I'm going to go ahead and put our Forex price movement indicator here so I can kind of see what's going on. See, we got market movement as I'm showing you guys this. Pretty cool. Actually, we have some housing numbers coming out. So let's see what happens here. This would kind of be a passive entry down here. Let's see, could be some, yeah, I guess there's some people taking some trades here in the room. But anyways, let me just try and continue what I'm doing here. Okay, so we got our 1 minute. Basically, the purpose of this video, I'm going to show you around the platform and show you how to put on some new workspaces and, how to use the platform, get the best out of it. Yeah, you can actually see here how this thing popped it about 10 points. While we're at it, let me show you the homework feature. I'm going to open up a new workspace. I'm just going to go ahead and save the workspace as, let's call it homework. Alright, this is where you're going to go and check and see how trades were. So let's look at a new chart. 1 minute. First of all, before we do this, let's open up our matrix. Alright. Just so I can show you how this works, we're going to open up a matrix and we're going to put on the matrix alert system indicator. And you guys just seen how fast this happened when we hit this green band shade. Well, that's what each one of these arrows represent, is when our band here was hit. So this is so you can go back and look throughout the day of what kind of signals were generated, and you can do your homework and see what time of the day worked best for you, how many you got throughout the day, etc., etc. So really cool feature. Alright, so we save that workspace. We can go back to this workspace here. You see all your PMDs here showing you the downward direction, as you can see here in the chart. This is our 1 minute. Let me save this workspace. I'm going to go ahead and save this as, let's say, my matrices 2, because I already have one set up, and I'll show you how I set it up so you can set yours up similar to mine. I'm going to go ahead and save it. So if you want to open up some matrices, you go to Tools here and Matrix. I can open up my pound dollar matrix. You can see the market's heavy today. So looks like those guys are bailing out of the euro dollar that they were in earlier today. Just a little bit ago anyways. So anyways, this is how you open up your matrices. Pound dollar, euro, yen. I can open up whatever I want here. And then for charts, I go to File, New Chart. Euro, yen, 1 minute. You can see here we got a 3 minute, 5, 10, 15. We even have range bars. I'll get into that in just a little bit. Here's our chart. Let's see. Put on our price movement here. You can see our PMDs all downward. Alright. So this is how you can, and at any time, you can add new charts. And this homework feature here is indicators, the matrix alert system. Basically just shows you when the price hit these bands, and shows you where the signals were. Alright, so real cool feature. I can even come in, let's say I want another workspace, a new workspace. I want one for my, let's say, 1 hour chart. Maybe you want to set one up for just euro dollar, and you have your workspaces, euro dollar, pound dollar, etc. So let's do that. Let's go euro USD. Whoops. Oh yeah, I forgot. No forward slashes. Alright, so euro USD. I can come in here, new chart, and see, I got my 60-minute. Let's get my 240, my 4 hour. You can arrange these however you want to, and you can do your studies. You see here we just hit this low. So let's say you're doing your work here, and you got a low 34.48. Just came and hit that. I can come over here to my euro dollar matrix, add note, 34.48. What was that? That was our 1 hour chart, or our 4 hour chart low. Maybe I want to put possibly big bounce. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and put that in. You see it just pop up. That's where we're actually at. That's where we kind of had signals to go long here. And if I hold my mouse right over it, you're going to see it pop up. 4 hour chart low, possibly big bounce. Alright, you can write in whatever. Maybe you're a position trader, you want to make note of something, put some notes in there, whatever. It's going to show up on your matrix automatically. So once you add these charts to your workspace, however you want them, you always want to come back in here and save it. And your homework, save euro dollar. You can put whatever you want to put here. And of course, we have indicators. You can go ahead and a lot of people want to put stochastics or something like that. We have all of those available to you. So this is where you can set up whatever workspaces you want to set up. Oh yeah, I told you guys I was going to show you a little bit of the range bars. So let's new workspace, euro dollar. Let's open up 10 pip range bar, just to give you guys a little example. And just enlarge this. You can see here that these bars are all the same height. They may have a wick on them, but they're all the same, and that's because they're measuring the currency movement. There's no time involved in these charts. Really cool. We'll get into that a little bit later on. Just letting you guys know that it is available. Some of you may know of them and work with them. So I'm going to go ahead and save this Workspaces range bars. Go ahead and save that. So this is kind of the cool thing about this. You can set up multiple studies, multiple views, and it's really up to you how you want to set it up. You can have your euro dollar. You could open up a new workspace and new chart, and maybe this is where you have your pound dollar studies. So I can come in here, and of course, for those of you, you have your ways you like to set your charts up. Of course, you can come in here and customize your charts however you want to customize them. Kind of the price movement, colors. This is how I have mine set up. However you wanna set it up. Bar styles, you can turn those off of 3D. Darvis boxes. I mean, really, it's as much as you want to put on here. Of course, we don't recommend it. We keep things simple. This is just for example purposes here. And if you have a chart window open and you just want to change you know, maybe you want to change it to 3-minute, it'll change it automatically. Okay, so you can do that. File, save Workspace as GBP USD. Here you can put the dash in there. So for example purposes, this is all what you can do. And if I already have my workspaces saved, so if I want to open those up, I can go to Open Workspace, and this is where I have my personal setup open. I'm going to go ahead and open all that up. You can see I've got this thing loaded down, so it's going to take a little time. Here we go. This is you know, my current view. Let's scroll sideways. I can see all of my currency pairs that I'm watching at here. You know, I've got my 1 and my 5-minute charts. I have my dynamic Fibonacci set on your price movement indicator that you can put on your chart. You just toggle this. This is for your trending markets, and you just flip the switch and you're on Fibonacci, your dynamic Fibonacci levels. So another really cool feature. Okay. So I can go ahead and remove this workspace if this is not what I'm looking for, and that's basically how you use the platform. Some of the features we have. So hope you guys enjoy your new software and customize it to your heart's content. All right, we'll see you guys later.